Willems. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and activity ideas and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning resources. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories. Now let's read Pigs Make Me Sneeze, an Elephant and Piggie Book by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, 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 great news! I have a cold. Good for you. What was your favorite part of this book? What happened first, next, then, and last? Who is in the stories? Name the characters and describe them. What is the main conflict or problem? What did the characters learn in the story, and what can you learn from them? How and why do the characters respond to the problem? What is the lesson or theme? What can you learn from this story, or how can you apply it to your own life? What can you learn about perspective? That means Elephant is actually excited and happy to learn he is sick, where normally you wouldn't be happy about that. And Pig was not so happy about getting sick from Elephant. Elephant was happy he was sick because he was happy he was not allergic to his best friend, Piggy, and that meant they could hang out with each other. This book teaches us that life is a matter of perspective, and we can feel grateful for things that might seem bad but actually turn out to be something good. Write or draw what you can learn from this book, how you can apply it to your life, or draw your favorite characters, scenes from this book, or imagine your own new scenes, new characters, or a completely different story that also has a setting, a sequence of events that happen first, next, then, and last, a main conflict or problem, and the characters responding to the problem and solving the problem, learning from it in different ways. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more books and free learning resources. Thank you for reading with me.